pleated though.
Okay.
Got it? And for you, Miss Lady, this your third layer. I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to do that.
So, and this is my focal one.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
I know. So it's not really a lot of pleating with that. But the same thing, you want to start from the middle. And you pretty much just, this piece, you just pretty much gathering. Your pleating technique is going to start with this.
Okay.
With the hand and actually pleating that fabric. Yep, good. I like that. Good, good. I like that. Awesome. Hold on. Nope. You keep on. Nope, because it's so thin. I want you to just.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yes. Yes. Awesome. You got it, Miss Rosie? Yep. Get this out your way. Wait a minute. Nope. Not this one. That's your outer.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am. That green one is your. There we go. This is okay. That one. Nope. This one would be next. So you got 4 panels. So first is your green.
Oh, it's green, pink, and the yellow. Okay.
Awesome. I like that, Lauren. I like that. No, I like that. Low always is going to give you a more of a royal look because it's going to make everything kind of just look grand. So that's totally fine. That's neat. I like that. Where you want your fabric to go, Miss Rosie? The green.
I really wanted it to just hang down at first.
Right.
Now.
But I see you standing right here. And if it needs to go in the middle, that's where you need to be standing.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to bring all your fabric over there. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Yep, don't worry about that. That's going to keep going. Yep. Have it right there. Keep on. I like that. Get a Miss Carla. Oh, yeah. So she could, yep. There you go. What's that? Oh, yeah. Comb through. Good to go. Yep. So you're going to be more challenged with this because this is easy. It's like kind of do its own thing and it still look good. But this one, you got to put them pleats in there. Good job, ladies. I like it. I like it. I will say this seems a little high, but it's cool. It's not too high. It's not too high. It's just for it to be this short, it's a little high. But it's still good to go. Still good to go. I like that blue. Okay, wait a minute, Miss Rosie. So first, before you even go to your next color, the 2 greens need to be secured first. Because that's your middle. So it need to be both of them together. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, keep them close. You're welcome. Like that. I would say come over a little bit. Nope. A little more. Perfect. Nice comb through. Yeah. Only thing about this fabric,
I know.
the ends is nothing you could do. So it's nothing. It's not you. It's just that's just how it is. But when you join this fabric, it always go right into it. Right. Nope. Because then it's a different. I'm going to show that one. It's a different technique.
I'm gonna run out of
I get some more. We ain't with it yet. That's good. Thanks, Kayla.